Sup guys, so today I'm going to share with you a very nutritious smoothie recipe. It's what I call the water smoothie. Now, let's just get our ingredients out. Alright, so we got our ingredients right there. Some water, and I like to get a different blend of water because it has like a different taste to it. Like a little smoother taste to it. We got some Pinta for a little smoother taste. Yeah. This very nutritious smoothie. So, let's get started. So first, we want to open the cup and pour the water in. Like so. You gotta pour the whole water in. And then to top it off, we gotta just, like I said, we gotta do some flavor. So, add some flavor to that. Fill it all the way up. And put this on. Now, when you smooth this, you have to do ultra blend at 60 seconds because this is like a very hard smoothie to make. Very rough. So it's going to be very thick. Alright, got to put some sunglasses on so I can be safe and the blend doesn't just somehow get out of the smoothie and hit me in the face. So let's get started. Ultra blend, 60 seconds. This looks amazing, dude. Holy crap. And the blender didn't freaking hit me in the face. So, these sunglasses weren't needed after all. So, yeah. Very important thing. Like, I have to mention this twice. So, ultra blend 60 seconds. Very crucial to make the perfect results. Now, let's drink this. Now, before we drink this, we actually have to put it in a bigger cup because, I don't know, for no reason. So, yeah, I just like to drink out of a bigger cup because it makes me feel like a big boy now. So, yeah. Put it in that big cup. And now, let's drink at the table now. That was some hard work right there. I deserve this smoothie right now. So now, let's drink. Tastes so much different than the other water bottle. There's like this smooth taste to it that I just can't get over. So, yeah, I'm just gonna drink some more. You know, sometimes I actually like to put my face in it so I could actually, like, get the true feeling of the tasty water. So I'm going to include a recipe in the description below so that you can make this recipe as well. So, thanks for watching.